Once upon a time, there was a big, bright farm with lots of animals. The sun was shining, the birds were singing, and it was the perfect day to visit all of the animals who lived there. So, my dear friends, what are we waiting for? Let's join them.
Cow.
Hi friends. I am a cow. I love to munch on the soft, green grass in the fields. I give milk. You can see I have big eyes, soft, spotty fur, and big ears. I love to eat crunchy hay and juicy apples.
Pig.
Hello friends, my name is Piggy. I like to play in the mud. I like to sniff for food, and love running around. Hello dear friends, I am a chicken. I love scratching the ground for seeds, running around the farmyard, taking dust baths, and laying eggs.
My name is Sheep. I like to hop around the field, grots on the soft grass, and love to make fluffy wool.
I am a dog. I love to fetch the ball, chase squirrels and butterflies, roll in the grass. I like to get belly rubs, bark at new things, chew on toys, snuggle with family, and really love to go for walks.
Hello friends. I am a cat. I like to chase toys like dogs. I like to climb and explore, purr for attention, and scratch things. Hi kids, we are geese. We migrate from cold places like Canada or the top of United States to warmer areas in the south, where there is more food.
I am a goat. I am playful animal. I love to climb, eat plants, and give you milk, wool, and sometimes even cheese.
I am a hen. I like to cluck and talk, peck for food, and love to lay eggs.
Hi friends. I am a horse. I am useful for riding and transportation, pulling carts and plows. People love to go horseback riding on me.
I am a donkey. I am very helpful to humans, especially for carrying loads. I love to bray and talk, just like horse. I like grazing on grass.
Hello friends. I am a honey bee. I have a special honey belly. To store the nectar I collect, I take nectar back to the hive where it's turned into honey.
I am a quail. I lay eggs. I help control insects and weeds in gardens, farms. My droppings can be used as a natural fertilizer.
Peafowls are not typically considered traditional farm animals. However, they can be kept on farms or in rural areas for ornamental purposes, for their beautiful feathers. I'm a fish. Some people raise me on farms for food, but instead of being on land, I stay in what are called fish farms. I am a bunny. Eat grass and vegetables. Use my fur to make soft cloths.